Arko was a shy 24-year-old boy living in Kolkata. He was talented, smart, and creative. But he had one big problem. He couldn't make people like him easily. In college, people thought he was too quiet. In job interviews, he became nervous. During family functions, he stood silently in a corner. One day, while traveling to office on a crowded metro, Arko saw a man smiling warmly and talking confidently with strangers. Everyone liked him instantly. They were laughing, listening, and enjoying his presence. Arko wondered, how does he do that? How do some people connect so fast? That night, Arko Googled, how to make people like you in 90 seconds? And he came across the book, How to Make People Like You in 90 Seconds. He clicked instantly. The book said something shocking. People decide what they feel about you within the first 90 seconds. Arko was surprised. Just 90 seconds? That fast? The book explained. People don't judge you by what you say. They judge you by your energy, your face, your voice, your body language. Arko realized he didn't have to talk too much. He just needed to connect. So, he decided to practice the first rule. Next day at office, he tried it. He looked at his colleague Ria with warm, friendly eyes. Not staring, just soft and confident. Ria smiled instantly. Arko thought, wow, it works. The book explained that people communicate in 3 styles. 1. Visual people. They like pictures, colors, I see. 2. Auditory people. They like sounds, I hear. 3. Kinesthetic people. They like feelings, I feel. Arko understood something powerful. If you talk in the style the other person uses, they like you, instantly. Next day, Ria said, I see a lot of work today. Visual person. So Arko replied, yes, I see that too. Let's finish it fast. Ria looked impressed. His connection with people was growing. The book taught Arko the next magic. Mirror people subtly, their body language, pace, mood. If someone is calm, be calm. If someone talks fast, talk a little faster. If someone is formal, don't be too casual. Arko tried this with his boss. His boss talked fast, so Arko increased his speed a little. His boss sat straight, so Arko sat straight too. Suddenly, the boss began smiling more. He even said, Arko, I feel comfortable around you today. Arko couldn't believe it. The magic was working. The final secret from the book. Arko practiced it for a week. He entered rooms with positive energy. He smiled naturally. He used a friendly tone. He matched people's style. He listened more than he talked. Something unbelievable happened. His office started liking him. People came to talk to him. Even strangers smiled back. Ria said, Arko, you're so easy to talk to. And finally the big moment came. Arko had a job interview at a big company. Earlier, he would panic. But now, he had the 90-second formula. He entered the room with a warm smile. He made calm eye contact. He matched the interviewer's tone. He spoke clearly and confidently. He listened carefully. Within minutes, the interviewer said, Arko, I like your energy. You seem like someone we'd enjoy working with. Arko couldn't believe it. The magic of the book was working. A week later, he got the job. You don't need to be super smart or talkative for people to like you. Just remember Nicholas Boothman's 90-second magic. 1. Warm eye contact. 2. Genuine smile. 3. Positive energy. 4. Match people's style, visual, auditory, kinesthetic. 5. Mirror body language. 6. Speak clearly and listen deeply. Do this and people will feel connected to you instantly.